almost half of it. Did you know I can see the universe from this fruit? Sounds crazy, huh? Might be thinking EJ's already going nuts. But truly, I am I am fascinated beyond words. I cannot even explain to you that just eating this fruit alone makes me feel connected to the fruit, makes me feel connected about the universe. And it's hard to contemplate that if you are in a survival mode. I was not like this before. It was really tough, especially like I said, when you're in survival, because there are pressing needs, needs for our lives, our jobs, or food. We need to sustain ourselves, shelter, clothing, our kids, our responsibilities. But if you get out of that pattern and a part of you must die and you're reborn, you are in a realm of creation and possibilities.